Hey, what's up everybody? This is the first video of Terraform course, and in this course we are going to cover Terraform on Azure. So probably you all know that Terraform is infrastructure as a code created by HashiCorp. So you can actually define your infrastructure using a declarative configuration language known as HashiCorp. So quickly open your web browser and go to registry.terraform.io. In this Terraform registry page, you will get an option to browse your provider. Don't worry about the module section over here. We will cover the Terraform module later part in this video. So here you can see that Terraform has already covered and added more than 1000 provider in this page. And providers are nothing but actually your cloud technologies. So it's like GCP, AWS, Azure. These are your cloud technology, and Terraform added that as a provider. And Terraform has also covered some on-premises technology in their provider section. So in this course we are going to use Azure technologies. So we are going to use Terraform on Azure. So let me quickly click on this browse provider, and here I will get an option to select an Azure. You can see that there are lots of provider available over here, so you can go ahead and explore this provider. So let me click on Azure section over here, and this is, you can see that this is official Azure RM provider from HashiCorp. Okay, and you will get the Terraform versioning and the installation numbers, the complete detail on this page. Overview tab, you will get an option to select documentation. So if you click on that documentation, this is the complete documentation of your Azure Terraform provider. So you want to create any resources, you can search that resources in this filter field, and you will get that particular resources pop up, and then you can proceed ahead. So for example, let me go ahead and select resource group. Here I am getting an option under this resources. I'm getting an option Azure RM resource group. So let me click on this, and here I am getting an example how to create a resource group in Terraform. So this is nothing but your SQL language. Okay, so you don't need to write the language from the scratch. You will get almost each and every Azure resources available in this kind of example in this documentation page. And you can also see that it's something look like JSON format with key and value pair, and it's something like that. Okay, so here you can get an argument reference section, attribute reference section, timeout, and import section. So in this example, this name and location is nothing but your argument, and the value that you have provided over here is nothing but your expressions, or you can also say that as a value. So these are your argument, and these are the attribute references. So in case if you created this resources and you want to export that resource group ID, then you can use this attribute reference to export that particular ID. And the import section is actually if you already created a resources and you want to import that resources in your further coding, then you can use this particular section or code to import your Terraform. So we will look this one by one in upcoming video. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel.